On February 21, 1952, students from the University of Dhaka in Bangladesh, then Eastern Pakistan, protested for the right to speak in their native Bengali language. During the protest, several students were killed by police. In 1999, UNESCO declared February 21 as International Mother Language Day to honor the movement and preserve linguistic diversity. Language is an essential part of cultural identity and diversity. However, according to UNESCO, nearly half of the over 7,000 languages spoken today are endangered. Globalization and the spread of few dominant languages threaten the existence of many mother tongues. International Mother Language Day aims to promote multilingualism and protect all languages spoken around the world. Speaking in our native languages, especially with younger generations, helps pass on cultural knowledge and values within families and communities. Recognizing language rights also promotes inclusion and empowerment. Every year, UNESCO selects a theme for International Mother Language Day. Past themes have included indigenous languages, multilingual education, and translation. Governments, NGOs, and activists organize cultural events, lectures, and campaigns to raise public awareness about the chosen theme. People celebrate International Mother Language Day in many ways. In Bangladesh, people lay flowers at the Shaki Mina Martyrs Monument, dedicated to those killed in the 1952 protests. Community groups host mother tongue book readings, poetry competitions, music performances, and more. Many people simply make an effort to speak as much as possible in their mother language on that day. Using technology and social media, people can connect with native speakers across borders to engage in conversations, share knowledge, and strengthen linguistic and cultural ties. Some online campaigns encourage people to upload video greetings or make calls in their mother languages. While globalization has made the world more connected, International Mother Language Day highlights the importance of cherishing diversity rather than conformity. Promoting mother languages ensures that people everywhere can continue to think, dream, and express themselves in the language they hold closest to their hearts. Here is our painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Mother Language Day. Cheers!